I'm continuing here with the Audi, alright. Start removing a couple of things. I have removed the high pressure line from the pump to the rail. I have disconnected this cable. I'm removing the fittings here. Keep in mind, yesterday, now the guy who's always saying, why you're be so aggressive with Omar, why you're saying all these things. Yesterday, that also the owner, he was front, I said, put the Audi in reverse on this lift inside here, okay? Remove the Mercedes and put the Audi here. Fine. They start stripping off parts. They remove also the half intake manifold and the charge pipe down on the floor, all right? They remove also the fuel rail, the low pressure fuel rail from here. Why I said to put it on the jack, on the lift? Because I was not remember 100%, but I was remember that the fuel rail, the high pressure fuel rail, has 3 bolts. That's what I remember. And I said, okay, maybe no need a jack, but it's welcome always. Instead of struggling down because very low here, you can raise a little bit up to work also much easier. All right. Now, there is one SP bolt there that I remove it. There is another one SP bolt over there that I remove it, and there is another one back over there. Okay. In front of this bolt, there is this bracket that's holding the alternator and the C compressor. And even if you remove this bolt, the fuel rail, how are you gonna pull it out? You know, you have also the dipstick, the tube that doesn't come out. And then, how are you gonna reach on the 30 Torx bolts since the fuel rail is in the way? So you have to remove the fuel rail. It was to remove the bracket, you have obviously to remove the engine mount here. To remove the engine mount, you have to support the engine. To remove these things, you need to remove the wheel and the wheel arch liner to have an access, to have a clear view, to be more easy your life, to don't struggling there inside. Okay, and now we are ending up here, that the car, it's down, it's been stripped off, need to be on the jack. And guess what? It's me with the Derek only here. Mr. Derek's over there, he's working on that car. Okay, so, lovely, thank you very much that you are following exactly my instructions, what I'm saying. Amazing. Now when you come, I'm gonna pause it, I'm gonna continue with the engine that I have inside, and when you come, arrange to put this car on the jack. Okay, then, you know, it's the video that I'm complaining. Just a second to go inside. Back inside of the engine room. Okay, I remove the O-rings. These O-rings, they're coming here. These O-rings, they're coming here. This is matte. These are more shiny. There should be some difference probably, okay? But this for this one, I didn't mix it up by any means, all right? What I did, why I did that? For a simplest reason. You see there is a hook there, classic, that it goes here at this point. And there is also these pins, this pin over there, that's aligned to this position. Okay, now I cannot move this part more close to me. You come here, let's make it as much as possible round, and I'm pushing it also this side, pushing it here. You see, here it's okay, it's beautiful. Here it's okay. When you come here on the last, it's not aligned properly. It's not aligned properly. There is a lip. From this side, there is a lip. You can see on the video, you cannot see on the video, I don't care to be honest with you. So, let's make it straight to align, okay. Let's make it like that, to align the holes. So you see, that's what I'm talking about. This is what I'm talking about. This is what I'm talking about. This. And this. And this, sorry. Okay? So if you want my opinion, if you want my advice, 2 things I have to suggest here. Don't be so wide, to be more precise. Here this cut and this cut, that goes these pins inside. and to be machine a little bit more better, not machining, to align it better. That's my advice. Plus, since this piece here it's separate, that's my advice, okay? Nobody gives an F about what I'm saying. I'm just saying. Like I said before, I'm nobody. Don't misunderstand, you don't misunderstand, it's up to you. So the intake manifold, there are three pieces. One is here, two is here, and the third one is this one. Alright? 1, 2, 3 pieces. Now, if it was me, I can make this flange, let us say, to don't have a groove for an O-ring, to have a groove only here at this point, and one flange that we're gonna have a groove just in case that you don't want to cancel the runners with a flap that has inside, and to put it on. I'm just saying. Alright? Now, when you have a billet CNC parts, at least me, at least personally, alright? I would like to see precision, and I would like to see that's aligned properly, and I'm not gonna be able to make this. Okay, understood? I'm not gonna, I don't like to see this. Let me turn off the light, maybe it's gonna be better. Yeah, it is better. Yeah, that's what I have to say. One complaint for Omar, and that's it. I mentioned this yesterday twice. Put it on the lift, put it on the jack. Don't leave it down on the floor. Don't keep it in the middle of the garage. Put it with the reverse in the lift. And I said that twice. And I said that also, I said the same thing in front of the owner right before I leave from the garage. And he said to me, yes, I'm gonna move the Mercedes and I'm gonna put the Audi in reverse on this lift. Yeah, thank you very much once again. Now, sorry, don't forget also the guy who says all the time that why you are treating like this Omar. Go on the comment section and say, why you're disrespecting the Omar and all these things. Okay, don't forget to do that, eh? Don't forget.